at the bench appeal on the Mod Blend Pro. So stylish, you'd love to have it sitting on your bench at home, trust me. And not just because it looks good, it's been nominated one of the best blenders in Australia. It won a recent award for the best blender on Product Review and has so many 5-star ratings, it is ridiculous. So today, to showcase this beautiful machine, I'm going to make a simple basil pesto. Let's go. Lid off. Alrighty. Into the blender, we're gonna go, we've got some beautiful basil. I just love the smell of basil. We're just gonna go in. Doesn't matter if some of the stems get in there, but we're just gonna rip that up. We want pretty much the whole bunch of basil leaves. Some of these bottom ones we'll leave off. We'll get it all in there. Beautiful. Next, we're gonna go in with some pine nuts. So we want about half a cup, 50 grams of pine nuts. That's a little bit more than 50 grams, so we'll go with that. A nice pinch of sea salt flakes. Let's go, a good couple. You want some nice seasoning in there. Then we're gonna go some beautiful Parmigiano Reggiano. Yum. We just want about 50 grams of fresh Parmesan in there. So yeah, a nice block. I'm not even gonna grate it. I'm just gonna put it in blocks in there and let the Mod Blend Pro do all the work for us. So I've just chopped that into some blocks there. Let's go a little bit more. I like my pesto nice and cheesy. All right, you ready to witness the power of the Mod Blend Pro? Here we go, lid on. Let's be honest, a lot of blenders out there are pretty terrible and gutless, let's be honest, but this one is one of the most powerful. I've got one of these at home and I love it. And apart from looking stylish and being powerful, it doesn't have those cumbersome knobs on the front. It's got a beautiful screen here, and when we turn that on, there's lots of different options for you to choose from. There's lots of different things that you can do with it, but all I want to do is just blend this up fast. So if I put my finger on here, I can adjust the speed of the blender just by using my finger. So once that's going, I'm going to remove this little lid. And that's when we start adding our olive oil. So nice and slowly. So that's getting mixed up nicely. What we've got here is a tamper, which we can pop in there, and that'll help us create a vortex to get it mixed up really nicely. So let's give it another crack. There we have it. Basil pesto. Let's have a look. Got a bowl and some bit of bread over here. Little afternoon snack, why not? Out we come, let's have a look. That's good, that's what you want. That's the consistency. You don't want it too smooth. I like my pesto nice and chunky. You still want some texture to it. Beautiful, vibrant and green. Have a look at that. Yum. Smells good. Let's give it a little taste. So basil pesto made with the Mod Blend Pro. Easy. Try this out at your next dinner party. Yummo.